Meanwhile, DILG Secretary Mar Rojas assures that families to be moved from waterways will be relocated within Metro Manila. He also appealed to the critics of the government not to put politics on such undertaking. For added details, here's Alvin Baltazar.
DILG Secretary Mar Rojas appeals to the critics of the government to refrain from putting politics amid their efforts to relocate families living along waterways. Rojas even dared their critics to reside along waterways and see themselves how dangerous to live on such site. According to the DILG chief, they see nothing wrong with such government's move, and in fact, the affected residents are willing to leave their present location and transfer to a much safer place being offered by the government. Rojas assures that concerned residents will be transferred within the city amid the government's near-site relocation program.
Merong iba dyan na ginatika itong napakahirap na sitwasyon ng ating mga kababayan na nakatira sila sa taas o sa gilid ng mga estero o ng mga drainage. No? Anong masama na ang pamahalaan gusto ilagay sila sa ligtas at maayos na kalagayan?
Meanwhile, creeks would be one of the primary targets of the government amid its effort to put an end in the massive floodings, especially here in Metro Manila. Rojas said that based on the study conducted by DPWH, even if the government spends billions of pesos for drainage improvement and would spend less priority on waterways, the effort to eliminate floodings will just go to waste and the problem may persist. That is why majority of plans laid down both by the Public Works Department and MMDA to finally eliminate floodings is to remove all obstacles that prohibits the flow of water down to Manila and Laguna de Bay.
Kahit ilang bilyon ang gastusin dito, kahit ilang tunnels or drainage na gawin dito para sa tubig, hindi malulutas ang problema hanggat malinis natin at mapaayos natin yung mga natural na naandyan na para sa daluyan ng tubig, which are yung mga estero natin.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.